Hello, everybody. It's meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you. Thanks for heading with me tonight as we look at our Friday facts in the forecast and beyond. We're going to go from record heat for some areas, weekend rain, freezing temperatures. It's all coming up right now. Make sure you bring your comments and questions. You're watching Hutch's Weather. Real quickly, my friends at Robert Gibbons Sons want to let you know about something special. If you've been thinking about upgrading your heating and cooling system to a Bryant heating and cooling system, whatever it takes to get the job done, my friends at Robert Gibbons Sons, well, they're going to throw in a free water heater as well. They're efficient, comes with a 10-year warranty and a 3-year warranty on the labor as well. Call Robert Gibbons Sons. Let them know that Hutch sent you. All right, let's take a look at our hour-by-hour forecast real quickly as we head into the forecast period for Friday. Things are looking pretty quiet this evening. I can't rule out a renegade shower or rumble of thunder, mainly up in the northern portions of the valley as we cross into the midnight hour, so keep that in mind. Hey, and again, drop a comment right now. Let me know where you're watching from. And if you have any requests or ideas for Hutch's Weather, let me know what that is, as there are some changes coming around the bend, as they like to say. Heading into the deep overnight hours, here's what you can expect. We'll put this into motion. You'll see those showers kind of extending all the way from north of Lake of the Woods out into parts of northeast Montana. I'll zoom this out a little bit because the action for Friday, northern portions of the, international border counties and into the big sky country of Montana. There's Fort Peck Reservoir out to the far west out there. Now, playing this as we head into the morning hours, we'll have a few clouds passing through. Our winds will generally be southerly and they will pick back up again, and that means the heat is on. It's going to be a hot one out there as we go through the remainder of your day. Then as we continue this, you'll see rain showers extending from Regina in Saskatchewan all the way through Winnipeg, Lake Winnipeg, seeing those showers as they lift north and back into Montana as we go into the afternoon. And then this band of shower activity will begin to get a little more organized as low pressure systems develops down to the south and the west. Shirley, good to have you on. Glad I saw you're on watching from Moorhead, and I'm glad I see that you're here joining me. Thank you so very much. It does look like I have a little bit of an update as well from Dwayne. Thanks so much. Hot outside, 90s in Little Falls, Minnesota. Indeed it is. It's sweaty out there for the day today. The forecast shows more sweatiness with rain showers mainly in Canada and Montana by tomorrow afternoon. Let me pop this up here and go ahead and put this into play for you a little bit, and we'll take a look at what happens as we go into the deep overnight. Notice Miles City, Montana out there just off to the east of the Bismarck and Billings area in Montana, where Hutch went to high school, for Billings West High School for a bit. Look at the rain expanding heading into Saturday. Saturday will be a wet day. Watch this spread. Just watch with me. Whoop! There it goes. Right across parts of the border counties into western North Dakota and all the way up through. So Saturday will bring a decent chance of scattered showers and rain from basically southwest North Dakota, Williston, Minot, right into the Devil's Lake Basin. And yes, you in northwesternmost Minnesota will have a chance at seeing some showers as well. Hey, Jason Weber, good to have you on board. Thanks for watching. If you have a question, let me know what you got. Hi, watching from the Alvarado, Minnesota area, Lynn King, good to have you on board as well. So that's a look at the forecast for the short term, but I do want to point this out. We're going to examine that 7-day planner first and foremost, so you can get a feel for the nonsense that's going on. You can look at a 7-day on any app out there. You can look on a 7-day on any website out there. And you're not going to get the content that you get in here. This is some interesting changes in our weather. We're going to really challenge those record highs as we go through our afternoon in Fargo. 93, the record high for this day, behind my big old melon here. Okay, the record low, 16 degrees. Where would you rather be, by the way? Drop in the comments. Would you rather be 16? Or would you rather be 93? We're going to kiss at 93 tomorrow. Showers and storms to the north along the international border and points north and out west, probably out near Montana. Saturday brings rain across western and central North Dakota into northwest Minnesota. Devil's Lake could see some showers. Areas mainly north of Grand Forks could see some showers. Some of them could be locally heavy, but the day of heaviest rain will come on Sunday. Another 90-degree, sweltering, nonsensical kind of day as we'll challenge records in the area for the second straight day. We start out Sunday morning when you're cheering on your Minnesota football Vikings at 73 degrees. You watch the game, you cheer, you eat all the snacks, and you go out to do some chores. and temperatures will be falling like a 2-ton heavy thing from the 70s into the 50s down into the 30s within 24 hours, folks. It's going to be a precipitous fall in temperatures out there. How about northern lights tonight? Yeah, I'd say there is a chance once again. The last several nights, I've got to share with you some more photos. Bonnie, thank you for asking the question. We'll go over that here in just a second. I also got a question here. It looks like it sprung by from the Justin saying, good evening from Cullum. Nice and beautiful weather, warm temperatures there. Thank you for the update. All right. So the temperatures begin falling. It will be our best chance in eastern North Dakota and western Minnesota of seeing rain, but it does look like it'll be likely most to the west of Fargo and to the north of Fargo. I'll have detailed maps on that. Temperatures really fall, and we're talking about 50s for highs Monday and Tuesday, and look at Wednesday morning, folks. You're going to need the ice scraper out there to scrape the window off on your car, and the roof is going to have some frost on it, and you're going to want to remember if you have some maters out there to maybe cover those puppies up, but don't leave blankets out for these guys. The mosquitoes, we can wave goodbye to those blood-sucking friends of ours. I think that this will really thin out the population as we head into the middle portion of the week. Then a little bit of a rebound in temperatures on your Thursday. That's what's going on there. Hey, Judy, love this weather. Thank you very much for the kudos. I really love what I do, and I'm really fortunate to keep doing it for you. Bonnie, about the Northern Lights, let's take a look at some of the photos that were sent in, and then maybe we'll have a chance to look together at a little bit of detail on that. Here momentarily. Pardon my eyeballs while I wander, because when you request something, I'm going to do my best to look it up for you and see if I can locate it. A little bit more information on those Northern Lights here. So let me see what I can find. They have been really out there and out there strong. So I'm just looking over to confirm what I said. Yes, we have active Northern Light potential tonight. And when I'm looking at a couple of my favorite factors here, the BZ, the inbound BZ, it's something that when it's negative, the chances of seeing the Northern Lights is better. So yes, there is a chance at those Northern Lights once again. And when I take a look at the 3-day forecast here, and I'm doing this offline, just passing along the good word, tonight may be the best chance. The best chance comes early in the overnight after we cross through around 3 in the morning. The chance should go down, and it looks like it stays down for a few days, but not zero. We could see some more faint lights. Look at behind me. I'm going to give you a round of applause. Are you ready? A round of applause to you for all of these awesome photo uploads, including Nathan here with a gorgeous moonshot out there. Now let's take a look at what we have going on elsewhere across the region, because we've seen everything that I just can't bear to tell you about. Look at this little fella out here. This photo taken near the Spirit Lake Casino out there on the shores of Devil's Lake, and this was taken by Audie, Swiftbird Audie. Thank you for sharing that. But look at the color in the skies going on as you take a look at some of these gorgeous shots out here. This is marbleized magic, says the photo taker near Bemidji, Heidi. Thank you for all of your incredible photos out there. And look at it glistening off of the liquid surface there that's like glass. When Hutch would water ski when my knees were in a little better shape. That's the kind of water I'm talking about right there. How about from Dilworth? What did it look like? Holy smokes. And look at the clouds mingling with these puppies as well. Absolutely stunning shot. Dilworth Kim, thank you so very much for taking this shot. Heidi Lynn says the moon is very bright though. Almost full, something to consider. And that's exactly the case. So when that moon is bright, that can really limit some of the chance of seeing the Northern Lights, but when they're as strong as they've been, I think there may still be a chance. The problem is getting away from the city lights will always do you some good. And if there's anyone I trust, it's Heidi to share those details, because she goes out and captures some amazing photos. Look at this near Bemidji as well. Great night for the aurora out there as we look there. Heidi, thanks for sharing this one out there. Look at it glistening off of the glossy water surface. So you get the picture. Now, there's a lot of photos that you've uploaded. You can also upload videos. One of the funnest things to watch is capturing a little time lapse of these, even if they're short, and uploading those short time lapses to hutchesweather.com. Spectacular. That's all I got to say. Hey, YouTube friends, thanks for watching. I do want to pass this out. On my Facebook channel, you can subscribe to my Facebook channel, so look for details on how to subscribe there. It's been a few people that have done that. You go to my page, Hutch Johnson, meteorologist. You can search that on on Facebook. And if you subscribe, there's going to be some opportunities coming up for you to take part in for subscribers out there. Everybody is going to hear the weather always, but for subscribers and for your support by subscribing, there are some deals that I have for you, and I have leaned on you since day one to give me feedback on what you want to see Hutch do with regards to growing Hutch's Weather. So I absolutely want to have a one-on-one chat with a few of you coming up in the very near future. Hutch's Weather and hutchesweather.com. Look at that Fargo Moorhead, mostly moony night out there, captured by my good friend Nathan. Thank you for uploading your photos. All right, now let's take a look at this extended forecast because we have some rain to talk about. Now, on the extended forecast, we were just getting to it. The best chance of rain in our area of eastern North Dakota, western Minnesota comes on Sunday. Friday, way west and north. Saturday, way west and north. Sunday, well, we'll have a better chance in Fargo and Grand Forks at seeing some soaking showers. Let's examine this. Ethan, good to see you, and good evening to you. Check it out. Rain showers on Friday from the morning through around midnight will be best up in toward Winnipeg and the Northern Valley. Hey, Terry, good to see you, and I should be sending you stars, my friend, for all of your hard work. Thank you very, very much for supporting Hutch's Weather, as always is the case. You guys rock. That's all I have to say. Thank you for helping Hutch out in a pinch today. I appreciate you very much. So Friday, most of us stay dry, and in fact, down in the Southern Valley, just downright sizzle-worthy weather in our area. Heading into your Saturday morning to about Saturday at midnight, look where the rain band will be most likely. From the Black Hills to northern parts of Wyoming out there south of Billings and basically up in that Casper area, we're going to see a chance for some soaking rain showers. We'll take it. It goes right along the I-94 corridor from Billings and Hardin right into Miles City and Glendive, Williston and Sydney. You're in the zone to see a few tenths of an inch of rain. There'll also be a heavier band from Bismarck and possibly up into northwest Minnesota, where we could get some areas that get over a half of an inch of rain from that. Again, that is on Saturday. Fargo, not much of a chance here. This model says 1/10 of an inch. Please don't put any weight on the number you see by your town. Just know that there's this range, and the likely range is on the lower side of these ranges that I put up here. So many up in northern parts of the Red River Valley have a decent shot at getting that 1/10 of an inch of rain. A few of you will see a half of an inch or more. Sunday. Don't forget your umbrella, because I got to tell you what, there's going to be some areas that will likely get 7/10 of an inch of rain, or up to 2 inches, maybe a little more in isolated places. And this is just on Sunday, folks. So from Sunday morning at midnight 01 all the way to around 11 o'clock at night, that's what I'm expecting. Luke, good to see you. Hard at it on my request. Luke, thank you very much. I'll tell you what, Hutch has got a lot in store for you coming up, and friends like I'm talking about here tonight who are conversating with us right now, I gotta tell you what, we've got some big fun coming your way on Hutch's Weather. Thank you, Luke. It's good to see you as well. We got to get together. All right, rain in Fargo, not a great chance. Not in Fergus Falls, not in, anywhere down toward Traverse County, Roberts County, South Dakota. Hit and miss showers in the forecast. You get north near Highway 2 and 100 and points north, Highway 200 and points north. We're going to have some appreciable rain on Sunday. Then by Monday, it is out of here. It's gone. It is going to go goodbye. But guess what comes in? That's when the skeeter meter goes to 0, folks, because that's the cold air getting ready to take hold. You know what? I'm standing up and enjoying my time up here in front of my weather screen and wall, and it's just fun to move about and kind of get back to business here. So thank you very much for supporting me. Look for more information. I would love to have you subscribe on my Facebook page. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll keep you informed about some of these exciting changes coming your way. But for now, I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson, bidding you a fantastic Thursday night. Psst. Listen to this.
This has been a Hutch's Weather Update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Hutch's Weather. Anywhere, anytime at hutchesweather.com.